In today's consumer market, brands are pressed to look for new product innovations to stay ahead of the competition. Organizations must consider sustainability and lowering manufacturing costs while increasing capacity when bringing their products to market in time. To overcome these obstacles, technology and engineering companies must leverage the most effective design and manufacturing methodologies to advance efficient design and bring new ideas to life at record pace.
PackSmart was established in 1999. In our 23 years of experience, we've shipped over 2,000 projects to over 25 different countries, taking on some of the most challenging digital and packaging automation solutions. We understand the importance of reducing risk when designing new applications for our customers. That's why we incorporate a modular design approach. When developing our technologies, we can fully customize our existing designs and minimize lead times in order to meet specific requirements for our customers.
Attention to details, precision, and focus are critical to meeting the quality and time of our customer requirements. To achieve desirable results, we must ensure that everything is backed by data. Carefully collected and analyzed data allows us to establish equipment capabilities and eliminates time spent on re-engineering on new projects.
Our marketing team developed a truly exceptional product. Not only is it beautiful, eco-friendly, it also has unique sustainability features. It is completely solvent and adhesive-free, which is a first for our industry. However, the packaging had introduced technical problems that could not be overcome using conventional methods.
At PackSmart, we are not afraid to enter into uncharted territories. Solving complex problems is what we do on a daily basis.
Our industry-leading RP rotary pick-and-place has been installed over 2,000 times around the world for over 200 different projects. To meet the project requirements, instead of designing an entirely new system from scratch, we extended the existing frame and utilized additive manufacturing technologies to create parts with complicated geometry that is being designed to perfectly accommodate the product and the process, rather than modifying the customer product after the approval process or redesigning the system itself to meet traditional manufacturing requirements. The result is unparalleled performance, with the ability to feed product in less time than the blink of a human eye. Our virtual machine control and DeltaX platform with advanced brushless servo controllers and motors connected via fiber optic networks ensures our clients have full control of their automation, as well as real-time tracking, verification, and full traceability of their products.
When we finally found PackSmart, we realized we found a partnership that truly understood our unique challenge and understood the importance of not compromising design. The PackSmart team took ownership over the complete project, helped us through overcoming challenges with our design and development process, and provided post-installation support. Their open-minded approach and their experience helped us achieve what we thought was impossible.
The unique part of being at PackSmart is being part of a journey. We work extensively with our customers to create trusted relationships in order to protect their most sensitive information, their intellectual property. Our clients trust us to solve problems on time, on budget, and exceed their expectations. We can't show you everything that we do here behind closed doors, but I can say from experience that we are actively working to engineer the impossible.
The packaging world is in a constant state of evolution, but thanks to advancement in new technologies, you no longer have to compromise design to meet production demands. By trusting your product with experienced professionals, PackSmart guarantees you will meet and exceed production deadlines without sacrificing quality. From conceptual ideas or problems to fully tested and qualified solutions within 14 weeks or less. Let PackSmart deliver exceptional customer experience by innovating your next product launch.
PackSmart, engineering the impossible.